Oh,
It's like landing
that's not
getting
long.
off my lovely propeller plane.
Yeah, not long.
And then traipsing to wherever I have to traipse to. It'll be one of
Hopefully
these.
you don't have to get on that little trolley, that
Hey,
rickety
don't scare me,
trolley.
okay? I really want to make it home tonight.
Scenic sights
All right,
of the
you're not
Newark
helping
Airport.
at all.
Duct tape. Nice.
Just support it a little bit longer.
Yay!
Good.
My new route,
Taxi.
All right, we can get that without the refusal.
Yes.
You just have to support it a little bit longer, right? Now, to be honest, all right, guys, this is totally accidental that it worked out this way, but it actually is a very good example of what we talked about before lunch. Why are we getting the refusal? Because if she doesn't stay facing the jump until the dog is actually jumping,
She's
then
going
she
with
will
her.
come off.
Yes.
Because we don't have an absolute cue for that jump.
Yes.
So you have to stay there longer.
So I should say,
You have to keep facing it. Yeah, but you're not, I mean, you aren't going to be able to move off of it at this point. We can't just decide that's how we're going to do it and then do it. But I mean, it was just, it's an example. There's your first mistake. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? I'm done talking to you. Leave it. Yeah, leave it. She's gonna crash home. Nice. Did you mean to do that?
Yeah, she did it before.
She did?
She did it. She does. She's doing two
Not
twirls.
every time. How would I have missed that?
She did because it was so pretty.
She's really smooth.
That's why. Because it didn't change the dog's path at all.
Right. She did
It
it.
was a stealth spin.
She
But
did
what
it.
is it supposed to be doing?
It did it the first time.
it did it several times.
Yeah.
Okay, but what? Did what?
Pull her off.
Pull her off.
Okay. Got it. I saw it that time. Must be watching Taxi more than You know, I'll tell you what, you didn't start your rotation soon enough. You actually kind of threw her forward coming out of that tunnel. Plus, where did they go out of that tunnel the time before?
Yeah.
Right. It's a tricky little spot as opposed to the rest of the course. Nice.
Go. Yes.
Yay!
Very good.
Yes.
Yay!
Girl.
Yay!
So, just some food for thought on that obstacle thing, because yes, you are stuck facing that jump until she takes it,
Yes.
which in this case isn't very detrimental.